My classroom and my school needs to be a place I want to run into, all right? So, and when you talk about running, I was in a school last year, and I was upstairs, and the bell rang, and the kids are coming in off the bus, and they're all running up the stairs, and I was like, wow, these kids really want to be in here. And before you know it, somebody came from out of nowhere and said, stop running! And it was this awful voice, and it said, you're in school now. And all I could think of was, whoa. And the pain begins here. It's like, don't you want them to run in and not out? You know, we have to think about those types of things. And we don't want them to hurt themselves, but let's get excited. We want kids to want to be in school. How many kids are you working with right now that look at school as the dread of the dread? School, it's back to school. I can't wait till this is over. It shouldn't be like that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.